Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello. We do a lot of lifestyle, home, beauty, fashion, bit of everything mixed into one on this channel, and hopefully you're here to stay. But today's video is going to be a Christmas speed clean with me. So basically, I'm going to be speed cleaning my house. Does what it says on the tin. I've bought loads of Christmas cleaning products from Home Bargains, B&M, that kind of neck of the woods, and I'm going to give you a quick haul through those before we get into the speed clean. So if you just want to watch the speed clean, skip forward. If not, watch from now. The house is a little bit of a mess. I've been filming loads of stuff all week. I've been doing loads of worky bits. I've been really busy, and the house has just become a bit of a mess. So I thought, this is the perfect time to do a clean with me, because you can see exactly the state that it is, and we can make it look immaculate and clean it all and make it look beautiful. So I've got an hour and a half to do this in. Hopefully I can do it in quicker than that. We'll see, but let's go. Okay, so here's my little stash. I've got my rubber gloves here, which are going to be used, obviously, because I don't want to take my rings off and I don't want to ruin my tan. Then I've got these two little Minky Cloth and Scrub Daddies. This one looks like a Christmas tree, adorable. And then I've also got a little snowflake one, which has got the scratchy side and the softer side, just for cleaning different bits. I've got this Flash Spray Wipe done in Apple Spice, which is a limited edition. Very festive design, love that one. I've got the Domestos toilet, what are they called? Thing. This is a winter sparkle and it smells really good. I've got one in one of my toilets at the moment. I need to put one in the other one. Then I've got a Duck toilet cleaner, which is in Forest, smells very festive. I've got Fairy with the limited edition Apple, smells insane also. And then I've got Zaflora Winter Spice Anti-Bac, which can be used pretty much everywhere. And then I've also got this from last year, which I barely used, the Zaflora Sparkling Spruce. Smells like Christmas in a bottle, basically. So these are the products I'm going to be using along with my normal ones. And then I've also got like the window cleaner and things to be used also. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get using all of this. it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of a festive clean using festive products. Not gonna lie, the house smells amazing right now. My nose is a bit like nose blind because I've used so many products and obviously had the doors open, but it doesn't really do enough to like get rid of the chemical smells. But it smells really good in here, so I'm gonna quickly run the steam mop round, and then yeah, it's all done. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.